Now, plant protectionists and agric scientists at the University of Cape Coast are bemoaning the effect of COVID-19 that has reduced the importation of poultry feed and other protein needs of the country. There is more in this report.
The current research in collaboration with the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture is aimed at producing high-yielding, disease-resistant and drought-tolerant varieties of the soya bean. Apart from the aforementioned qualities in the breeding lines of the soybean varieties being worked on by the university is assuring the varieties would be climatically adaptable. Lead investigator on the project, Professor Aaron Tete Asare, says Ghana needs to up its production in soybean, especially as the COVID-19 pandemic has reduced the importation of soybean products. He fears the poultry industry could suffer as a result if Ghana does not take urgent steps to produce its own soya beans to support the poultry industry and the country's protein needs.
Because of the COVID-19 currently, most of the soybean that is being imported could not be, especially in developing fish meal and then poultry farming. So we need to come out with improved varieties that would be cultivated by farmers to enable them expand their farms and then to have the requisite yield in order to supplement, the food sources for animals. And soybean, because of its protein dense, is very important for poverty endemic areas where families cannot afford adequate protein in the diet. So by consuming soybean, we will have the requisite protein nutrients in the diet, and children will not suffer from kwashiorkor and other malnourished diseases. In fact,
the scientists at the university with other partners have also been working on numerous cowpea varieties that have helped farmers and supported in the food security of the country. A co-collaborator and plant protectionist, Professor Elvis Asare discusses the other key focus of the research.
This project is also trying to look at the adaptability of some cowpea varieties that we are trying to breed, we are developing, and see how they can adapt to the coastal savanna, the forest and transitional zone. Soybean is grown in Ghana, basically mainly concentrated at the northern part, in other words, the savanna region. And you want to assess the adaptability of this soybean in the coastal savanna, the forest, the transitional zone.
The farmers selected the breeding lines of the soya bean being developed to cultivate in their farms and give feedback to the researchers to inform them what their picks of the varieties would be. Richard Kwejo Nyako, Joynews, Cape Coast.